What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 9-0 here. Alright, here we go. Friday night, the 9th. It's about 9:16. And we're going to get started with longevity break number 1. Probably be the only longevity we're going to do. Wasn't too popular. We did only run the auctions for one day. That may have had something to do with it. So if we get some more requests, we might try some more. But unless we hear anything, we're probably going to... This will probably be the last one. We got Gridiron Gear, Gold Standard, a lot of new stuff out. One other product I can't remember. Alright, here we go. 319-364-208. We had an ID video posted a little earlier with these boxes. So, if you haven't checked that out, check it out. We'd like to be very, very honest about this stuff and upfront with everybody. That's why we do the ID videos. Getting 10 packs, 5 cards a pack. I can't understand why this is such a... I would think this product would be a lot more popular, because I think you're getting like 4 pieces a box. I think they only go for like 60-something a box, but anyway. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Santana Moss, Frank Gore, base. A rookie for the Bucks, numbered to 150, Alan Bradford. Scotty McKnight, rookie, and Kevin Walter. And all the spots that went unpaid, we just ate those. All the ones that didn't get the dollar bids or whatever, we just, ate those, and whatever it is that they are, they are. Alright, Troy Polamalu, Kellen Winslow, Mike Vick. Here's a hit for the Chicago Bears. Devin Hester, jersey, numbered 254 of 290. That's Hester for the Bears, Jarvis Jenkins, rookie, and Stevie Johnson. Yeah, unfortunately, we were already taking a, $60, $70, $80 hit, whatever it was on these, so we just said, you know what, any teams that didn't get bids, rather than try to, we ran them through for 24 hours for everybody, nobody bid on them, so we'll just eat them, those couple teams, whatever they were. Donnie Avery, Lewis Murphy, Johnny Knox, numbered to 150. There's a couple hits there for the Bears. Akeem Dent, rookie, and Tony Romo. John Carlson, Mark Sanchez, Chris Cooley, Marvin Austin, rookie, and Hakeem Nicks. Phillip Rivers, Chris Johnson, Rashard Mendenhall. For the Colts, Dress for Success, Delani Carter, numbered to 249. Again, Delani Carter, Dress for Success to 249. Chris Conti and Jordy Nelson. Ryan Terrain, Josh Freeman, Zach Miller. This is a blue parallel, numbered to 75 for the Raiders. Zach Miller, Quentin Carter, rookie, and C.J. Spiller. LaShawn McCoy, Amendola, Hayward Bay. Jersey for the Colts, Dallas Clark, with Jeff Saturday's jersey number, 63 of 100. Dallas Clark for the Colts, so 2 hits for the Colts. Dion Lewis, Mike Thomas. Vernon Davis, LT, Randy Moss, Luke Stocker, rookie, Carson Palmer. Mike Tolbert, Malcolm Floyd, and Mike Tolbert parallel, 3 Chargers. This Tolbert numbered 113 of 150, the red version. Cameron Hayward, rookie, and Vasant Shenko. Should have 1 hit left here. And we do. Bo Scaife, Mike Wallace, Cadillac Williams. And for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray, Dress for Success, numbered 12 of 249. That's DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys. Pernell McPhee and Eddie Royal. Alright, on to box number 2. 324899-704. Moving right on along here. Not a bad start. Couple hits there for the Colts. Nice one there for the Bears. And Hester. And here we go to box number 2. Braylon Edwards, Nate Washington, Kenny Britt. Rookie Revolution for the Chargers, Vincent Brown. Numbered 224 of 249. Vincent Brown for the Chargers, Alan Bradford, Joe Flacco. Antonio Gates, Mike Williams, a Manningham, numbered to 75 for the Giants. Mohamed Wilkerson, Ben Watson. Hines Ward, Steven Jackson, rookie auto for the Browns. Phil Taylor, 048 of 127. Phil Taylor for the Browns. Corey Luigi and Wes Welker. Deshaun Jackson, Matt Hasselbeck, Sean Green. Jersey for the Broncos, Brandon Lloyd, 95 of 100. Jersey blue, Brandon Lloyd. Robert Hausler, Calvin Johnson. Crabtree, Steve Smith. Nate Solder. Just a red rookie. It's stuck to this filler. 39 of 150. Nate Solder, rookie for the Patriots. Evan Royster and Michael Turner. LeGarrette Blount, Ben Roethlisberger, Sam Bradford. Rookie Revolution, Von Miller. Second hit, I believe, for the Broncos. 189 of 249. Von Miller, Rookie Revolution jersey. TJ Yates and Joseph Adai. Zach Miller, Marshawn Lynch, Forte red to 150. Justin Houston, Steve Smith. Santonio Holmes, Donovan McNabb, Ryan Matthews, Anthony Sherman, and Devon Best. Santana Moss, Frank Gore, Alan Bradford blue, numbered 73 of 75 for the Bucks. Peyton Hillis. Polamalu, Winslow, Vic, Drake Nevis, and Marquise Colston. Alright, last box here, guys. 3, 2, 4, 8, 9, 9, 4, 5, 6. And hopefully we save the best for last. Nothing real exciting so far. Although 4 hits for something this inexpensive is pretty nice. Frank Gore, Polamalu. This is a low-numbered one. Haven't seen one of these yet. Randy Moss, green for the Titans. 24 of 25. A nice hit there for Tennessee. Moss, green parallel. 24 of 25. Alex Henry and Brian Hartline. Winslow, Vic, Donnie Avery. There you go, Colts. This has been a very nice break for the Colts. Peyton Manning jersey, 96 of 100. Jersey blue, Peyton Manning. So definitely nice for the Colts, though, so far. Ozuwagu, rookie, and Colt McCoy. Lewis Murphy, John Carlson, Razzie Dowling, blue, numbered to 75 for the Patriots. Christian Ballard and Arian Foster. Mark Sanchez, Chris Cooley, Phillip Rivers, Razzie Dowling, and Lee Evans. There were definitely several spots in this break that way undersold, so if we do another one of these, there's definitely some value in some of these cheaper teams, as you guys are all witnessing here. Ryan Terrain, Chris Johnson, Rashard Mendenhall, Blaine Gabbert, Rookie Revolution. There's one for the Jaguars. Numbered 14 of 249. Just missed Blaine's jersey there. 14 of 249, Gabbert. Drake Nevis, Jamal Charles. Josh Freeman, LaShawn McCoy, Matt Castle. 122 of 150 for the Chiefs. Stephen Burton, Chad Johnson. Shad Ochocinco, but it's listed as Chad Johnson. Amendola, Hayward Bay, Vernon Davis. For the Lions, Matt Stafford jersey, 85 of 299. For Stafford, Jordan Cameron and Danny Woodhead. LT, Randy Moss, Mike Tolbert, Prince Amukamara, and Noshan Moreno. Malcolm Floyd, Bo Scaife, Mike Wallace, red, numbered to 150, 56 of 150 for the Steelers. Denarius Moore, Tim Hightower. Alright guys, last pack. Mike Wallace, Cadillac Williams, Jeremy Maclin. And a hit here for the Vikings, Christian Ponder, Rookie Revolution jersey, numbered 38 of 249. So last hit of the box will be for the Vikings, Ponder. Terrell Pryor for the Ravens, and Matt Schaub. Alright guys, there you have it. Longevity break number 1 is now complete. Our next scheduled break is the 3-box break of Gridiron Gear. There's a 3rd box back here that you guys all saw on the ID video. So that'll be our next one. We'll be back here hopefully tomorrow night with that one. Those auctions just ended. We're just getting ready to invoice people here shortly. And again, thank you guys all for joining. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you back here for Gridiron Gear hopefully. Take care, guys.